Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin with clean, dry skin. The formula adheres better and prevents residue buildup. Once done, test a small swipe on your wrist to check sensitivity. Then twist the Cathy doll deodorant stick up about 2-3 mm and press to your underarm. Use 2 smooth passes, front and back, so the product lays evenly. Apply with gentle pressure. Too hard can leave streaks. Make sure to cover the whole area for consistent protection and reduced odor throughout the day. Once the first layer is applied, give it about 20-30 seconds to settle so the deodorant bonds to skin rather than clothing. You should then add a second thin layer using light, overlapping strokes to eliminate gaps. This builds coverage without clumping. Make sure areas near the arm crease get attention. If you need extra freshness later, reapply only after full absorption. Finally, let the product dry for 2-3 minutes before putting on clothes to prevent. You finish by twisting the stick fully down and snapping the cap on to keep the balm clean and stable. Store the deodorant below 30 degrees C and out of direct sunlight to preserve texture and fragrance. If you experience irritation, stop immediately, rinse with cool water and switch to a patch test before reuse. Try applying to a small area and waiting 24 hours. If product transfers to clothing, wash fabric in cold water. For uneven application, reapply only to the missed spot after drying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.